Hey guys, I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber, and I'm fixing to show you how to turn off the water in your valve box. Why is this important? If you have a flood in your house, this can save you thousands of dollars. This is something you and everybody in your family needs to know how to do. Come back and watch this. This is a 3/4 inch gate valve. This is the one we recommend you don't use. This is great for a replacement, but if you use the one you have, when you turn this handle off, it's gonna shut off the water. It's gonna send a cylinder down to close the water off. When you try to open it back up, if those threads strip, it may not work again. This is a 3/4 inch ball valve. What we like about these, quarter turn, it's closed, quarter turn, it's open, and that shuts off and turns on the water through a full port here. This is the valve to have. Guys, as you can see, I'm here at the valve box. It's a little easier to work with than the meters. You just open the lid and pull it up. So to turn the water off, I've got a bypass system. My water system comes in, comes up, comes through here, and I've got a bypass, so this has closed. So the water has to go through this valve, through my filtration system, back out in this way. So right now, all the water through my house is going through my filtration system. So if I want to shut off the water prior to the filtration system, I can close it here. That shuts off the water before it ever goes into the filter. If I've got a leak inside the house and I just want to turn the water off quick, I can come out, turn this valve off. It's still going up through my filtration system, but coming back down to here, this valve is closed, so now there's no water going into my house. Very easy way to turn the water off and up. Guys, I've showed you today how to turn the water off. Why is that important? The little thing you learned right here can save you thousands of dollars in case of a flood. Make sure you know how to turn it off and make sure everybody in your family knows how to turn it off. My name's Roger Wakefield with Texas Green Plumbing, saving you money one drop at a time.